Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your phone number from your Gmail account. Let's get started. Open Gmail. Whether you're using the Gmail app or website, the process starts the same way. First, tap on your profile icon and select Manage your Google account. Once you're in your Google account settings, you'll see either a carousel of options on mobile or a menu on the left if you're on a desktop. Click on Personal Info. Next, scroll down to Contact Info, where you'll find your email and phone number. Click on your phone number to proceed. On the phone number page, you'll see your number listed at the top. Navigate to the right-hand side where you'll find a trash can icon or a delete button. Click it. You'll be prompted to verify your identity by entering your password. After verification, you'll return to the phone number page. Click on the delete button or trash can icon once more. A confirmation pop-up will appear, warning that removing your phone number might affect the functionality of some Google services. Simply confirm your decision by clicking on the delete button again. And that's it. You've successfully removed your phone number from your Gmail account. If this guide was useful, please leave a like and don't hesitate to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.